Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring how crystals can help you attract financial prosperity and unlock your true sense of abundance. Crystals aren't just about adding more digits to your bank account, they can also help you heal your relationship with money, embrace your authentic version of wealth, and make room for abundance in every aspect of your life. If you're ready to transform your financial narrative, let's dive into the powerful world of prosperity crystals. Everyone has different financial goals, and each person's money story is unique. How you perceive money and welcome abundance into your life isn't set in stone. You have the power to change your story and embrace healing energies. Here are some of the best crystals for attracting financial prosperity and abundance. 1. Citrine. Characteristics: known as the merchant's stone, citrine is bright and sunny, reflecting positivity and abundance. Healing properties: citrine helps to unlock the solar plexus chakra, boosting confidence and manifesting a rich mindset. Usage: place citrine in your workspace or carry it with you to enhance your entrepreneurial spirit and attract success. Cleaning and energizing: clean with lukewarm water and recharge under sunlight to renew its vibrant energy. Pyrite. Characteristics: often called fool's gold, pyrite is a shimmering gold stone known for its luck-bringing qualities. Healing properties: pyrite clears old associations and helps you connect with your own energy, dispelling feelings of lack. Usage: keep pyrite in your financial areas or use it during financial planning to boost motivation and clear mental blocks. Cleaning and energizing: clean with a soft cloth and charge with sunlight or moonlight to enhance its energetic properties. Jade. Characteristics: a stone of serenity and clarity, jade is highly revered in Chinese culture for attracting wealth and prosperity. Healing properties: jade promotes calmness and prevents impulsive decisions, helping to attract good fortune and a deeper sense of eternal wealth. Usage: wear jade as jewelry or place it in your home to maintain a serene environment and invite abundance. Cleaning and energizing: rinse with water and cleanse under moonlight to preserve its peaceful energy. Amethyst. Characteristics: amethyst, with its calming purple hues, is known for its ability to restore balance and peace. Healing properties: it reduces stress and connects you to a higher purpose, aiding in attracting higher levels of abundance. Usage: use amethyst during meditation to alleviate financial stress and align with your greater goals. Cleaning and energizing: clean with water and recharge under the moonlight to maintain its soothing properties. Tiger's eye. Characteristics: with its golden, striped appearance, tiger's eye helps you stay grounded and connected to your intuition. Healing properties: it enhances inner vision and keeps you focused, aiding in the manifestation of abundance and stability. Usage: carry tiger's eye to remain grounded and clear-headed during financial endeavors and decision-making. Cleaning and energizing: clean with a soft cloth and energize under the sun for a boost in its protective qualities. Clear quartz. Characteristics: clear quartz is known for its clarity and ability to amplify intentions. Healing properties: it helps clear mental clutter and focuses intentions towards achieving financial goals. Usage: use clear quartz to set clear intentions for wealth and amplify the energy of other prosperity crystals. Cleaning and energizing: rinse with water and recharge in sunlight or moonlight to enhance its clarity and power. Rose quartz. Characteristics: as the stone of unconditional love, rose quartz opens the heart to receive abundance. Healing properties: it helps you to be open to receiving and fosters trust and self-love, paving the way for prosperity. Usage: wear rose quartz to attract loving energy and support your journey to financial abundance. Cleaning and energizing: clean with mild soap and water, and recharge under moonlight to enhance its loving energy. Malachite. Characteristics: known for its vibrant green color, malachite encourages transformation and inner strength. Healing properties: it helps release fears and doubts related to money and inspires courage and commitment. Usage: use malachite to break through financial blocks and embrace new opportunities with confidence. Cleaning and energizing: clean with a damp cloth and recharge in sunlight or moonlight to maintain its empowering energy. Agate. Characteristics: agate, with its layered colors, provides balance and stability. Healing properties: it boosts confidence and encourages exploration of your deepest financial dreams. Usage: keep agate close to encourage a balanced approach to financial planning and goal setting. Cleaning and energizing: clean with a soft cloth and recharge under sunlight to keep its grounding energy vibrant. Amazonite. Characteristics: with its soothing blue-green hue, amazonite invites flow and inspiration. Healing properties: it helps overcome resistance to change and channels your intentions clearly to the universe. Usage: use Amazonite to enhance creativity and align your financial goals with your true desires. Cleaning and energizing: clean with mild soap and water, and recharge under sunlight to enhance its energizing properties. Lapis lazuli. Characteristics: lapis lazuli is a deep blue stone known for its wisdom and truth-seeking qualities. Healing properties: it opens the heart to abundance and aids in problem-solving and personal growth. Usage: place lapis lazuli in your financial areas to invite prosperity and gain insights into managing your wealth. Cleaning and energizing: clean with a damp cloth and recharge in sunlight to maintain its powerful energy. Sodalite. Characteristics: sodalite balances intellect and intuition, fostering clear thinking. Healing properties: it promotes positive thinking and helps resolve financial issues with a balanced perspective. Usage: carry sodalite to support logical decision-making and maintain a positive outlook on your financial journey. Cleaning and energizing: clean with water and recharge under sunlight to keep its balancing energy strong. Garnet. Characteristics: garnet's deep red hue symbolizes passion and vitality. Healing properties: it helps dissolve blockages in the lower chakras and attracts a fulfilling life. Usage: use garnet to ignite your passion and attract wealth and abundance into your life. Cleaning and energizing: clean with a soft cloth and recharge in sunlight to maintain its vibrant energy. Selenite. Characteristics: selenite is known for its cleansing and purifying properties. Healing properties: it channels positive energy and helps clear out negativity, preparing you for abundance. Usage: use selenite to cleanse your space and personal energy, making room for new opportunities and financial growth. Cleaning and energizing: clean with a damp cloth and recharge under sunlight to enhance its purifying qualities. Peridot. Characteristics: peridot's bright green color is associated with joy and abundance. Healing properties: it clears heart chakra blockages and helps direct energy towards prosperity and emotional strength. Usage: use peridot to align your heart with your financial goals and attract joy and abundance. Cleaning and energizing: clean with a soft cloth and recharge under sunlight to maintain its energizing properties. Want to attract more money and abundance into your life? You can program your crystals for this exact purpose. Hold your chosen crystal in your hand, visualize receiving all that you've ever wanted, and feel that emotion deeply. Ask the crystal to help you manifest wealth and abundance, then carry it with you or keep it nearby. By setting clear intentions, you can harness the full power of these stones to attract prosperity into your life. Thank you for joining us as we explore the transformative power of prosperity crystals. We hope you found this guide helpful in your journey to financial abundance. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below sharing your experiences with these crystals. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content about crystals and holistic wellness. Explore our other videos to discover more about the healing properties of crystals and how they can enhance your life. Embrace the power of these stones and let them guide you towards a more prosperous and fulfilling future.